Today we're going to be making Junior's chicken parm subs here on LCD. We're going to start off making the dipping batter. That's 1.5 cups all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon of ground white pepper, 2 tablespoons yellow cornmeal, 1 cup of whole milk, and 2 large eggs. We're going to whisk that together and refrigerate for 15 minutes. Next, I'm going to take my chicken breast, and the recipe calls for 4 6-ounce skinless, boneless chicken cutlets pounded to about 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick. I actually used way too much chicken. I could have done with just 2 chicken breasts because by the time I butterflied them, the amount had pretty much tripled because of how thin they were. So I did use too much. Just try to use about 2 chicken breasts, or you could buy your cutlets already pounded and thinned out. That's about the right thickness that I'm looking for. You're going to spread your breadcrumbs on a platter. And you're going to sprinkle your cutlets with the Junior Spice recipe that I'll post down below in the description box. And you're going to do half a teaspoon per side. You're then going to dip it into the batter, letting the excess drip back into the bowl. You're going to dredge the cutlets completely in the crumbs and then place it on a tray and refrigerate again for 15 minutes to set the coating. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter before each cutlet you fry. Cook until golden, crispy, and cooked all the way through. I decided to do that one over because it was way too much meat, like I said before. When I cooked the smaller cutlet, it cooked so much more evenly and it got golden brown and not too burnt. Once it's done, transfer to a wire rack to drain. Recipe called for Italian heroes. I couldn't find those, so I just got any Italian bread I could find. You're going to drizzle that with a little bit of olive oil, put your cutlet on top, and your marinara sauce. There's a recipe for a marinara, but they also said you could use jarred, which is what I used. Add your 3 slices of mozzarella cheese and broil until the cheese melts and your rolls have toasted. Add more marinara and a little bit of Parmesan, and there you have it. Junior's chicken parm subs. Enjoy!